This is Gideon from Sterling, just highlighting a recent transit build we had come through our shop here. Nice looking build here. Let's start on the driver's side with our Sterling shelf. On the front we have a 48-inch shelf with the smooth extrusions, and then bins on the bottom shelf, tray D, and then between tray E and tray A and tray B, I should say, we have two locking drawers for extra security and safety to store little items that might be of high value. On the rear we have a 60-inch shelf. Same thing with the extrusions. Instead of the drawers this time, we have 3 empty trays to put loose parts in there and accessories. And in the bottom tray, we have a bunch of bins there to suit the customer's needs as they may need. And the passenger side, we have a 6-foot shelf with smooth extrusions, 4 tier for storing boxes, bigger items when you don't want bins, or the tool drawer there. Up here, we have an 8-inch swivel hook, a nice blue sterling color, to make it stand out, and below that we have a 5-level paper holder, what we call a AC14, for storing files, papers. Really helpful if you're on the job site, you have full hands, you can just tuck a file in there or a quotation for a customer in there. Really suits your needs, and they're really accessible at the rear here, same with the tank holder on the left side. We will also move to the side here and check out that area. Moving to the passenger side here, they partition the contoured Sterling partition, a solid contoured aluminum. Our standard here with jobs coming through our shop for ability to tilt the seats back for comfort. You already saw the front driver's side shelf. Here we have a parts keeper with 2 shelves, a PK8-2s we call it, with slots for holding parts keepers here for little accessories, and then 2 drawers for storage, 2 shelves for storage there, as you see. And then at the bottom here, we have added a little ramp for our customer from our showroom. It's a foldable ramp that he can use, or the customer can use for moving items easily in and out at the back of the van. And finally here on the inside of the rear of the van, we have our Sterling floor with the nice tread plate sills. Moving to the front of the van here, we have our Sterling seat covers, heavy duty, and as well a Sterling cab box in the middle between the seats to store more papers, and as well maybe even your lunchbox. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like that, give us a call, 604-576-2300.